Parking can be really tough, especially if you have a disability. Handicap parking placards are designed to make life a little easier. In Nebraska, these placards give you access to closer parking spaces, making it easier and safer to get around. Whether you have a temporary or permanent disability, a handicap parking placard can be a big help. Nebraska takes accessibility seriously, offering different types of placards to fit your needs. Whether you need a temporary placard after surgery or a permanent one for a long-term condition, Nebraska has you covered. And these placards aren't just for personal vehicles, they can be used on any vehicle you're traveling in. Not sure if you qualify for a handicap parking placard in Nebraska? The good news is the qualifications are broad. The state recognizes that mobility limitations can stem from various conditions. Generally, if you have a condition that significantly limits your walking ability, you might be eligible. Here's a closer look at who might qualify. Individuals who can't walk 200 feet without stopping to rest. Those who need a wheelchair, cane, crutch, or other assistive device for mobility. People with conditions that limit their lung capacity, making walking difficult. Individuals with neurological or visual impairments that affect their ability to walk safely. It's important to note that this is not an exhaustive list. If you believe you have a qualifying condition, it's best to consult with a licensed healthcare professional in Nebraska. They can assess your specific situation and guide you through the next steps. Applying for a handicap parking placard in Nebraska doesn't have to be a complicated process. In fact, with the right resources, it can be quite straightforward and stress-free. Whether you're applying for the first time or renewing an existing placard, the steps are designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Websites like handicapemd.com are designed to streamline the process, offering a seamless experience from start to finish. The website is intuitive, with clear instructions and helpful tips to guide you through each step, making it easier than ever to get your placard. The goal is to minimize any potential confusion or frustration, ensuring that you can complete your application with confidence. Let's break down the steps. First, gather your information. This is a crucial step that sets the foundation for a smooth application process. Before you begin the online application, make sure you have your personal information handy, including your driver's license number and contact details. Having these details ready will save you time and prevent any unnecessary delays. You'll also need your doctor's information as they play a crucial role in verifying your need for the placard. This includes their contact details and any relevant medical documentation that supports your application. Next, complete the online application. This step is made simple with handicapmd.com's user-friendly interface. handicapmd.com provides a user-friendly online application form. The form is designed to be straightforward, with clear fields and instructions to help you fill it out accurately. You'll be asked to provide your personal information, details about your condition, and your doctor's information. It's important to be thorough and accurate to avoid any issues with your application. The form is designed to be straightforward and easy to understand. Each section is clearly labeled, and there are helpful hints along the way to ensure you don't miss anything. Then there's the doctor's certification. This step is essential as it validates your need for the placard based on your medical condition. Once you've submitted your portion of the application, handicapmd.com will handle sending the necessary forms to your doctor for certification. This automated process ensures that your doctor receives the forms promptly and can complete their part without any hassle. This takes the burden off your shoulders and ensures everything is filled out correctly. You can relax knowing that the process is being handled efficiently. Finally, receive your placard. After your application is processed and approved, you'll receive your handicap parking placard in the mail. It's that easy. The entire process is designed to be as convenient and stress-free as possible, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your mobility and independence. You might be wondering why you should choose handicapmd.com over other methods of applying. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and that's exactly what handicapmd.com offers. Imagine being able to handle all your application needs without ever leaving your home. No more waiting in long lines or dealing with confusing paperwork. The answer is simple. They prioritize convenience and simplicity, making the process as easy as possible for you. With just a few clicks, you can start your application and be on your way to receiving your handicap placard. The user-friendly interface ensures that even those who aren't tech-savvy can navigate the site with ease. Here's a closer look at what makes handicapemd.com a great option. Everything's online. This means you can access the site anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home, at work, or even on the go. The flexibility it offers is unmatched. No more printing out forms or making trips to government offices. This not only saves you time but also reduces the stress and hassle associated with traditional application methods. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, cutting down on paper waste. You can complete the entire application process from the comfort of your own home. Simplified forms. The forms are designed to be straightforward, with clear instructions and easy-to-understand language. handicapmd.com uses clear, easy-to-understand language on all their forms. This ensures that you won't be left scratching your head, trying to figure out what information is needed. This eliminates any confusion and ensures you can provide the necessary information accurately. Doctor communication. Another major benefit is that handicapmd.com evaluates patients online, so you can do this from comfort of your home. The easy online process and expert disabled permit evaluation online service, you don't have to worry about coordinating appointments or sending paperwork. This seamless integration means less back and forth and more peace of mind for you. Fast processing. handicapmd.com is known for its efficient processing times, meaning you'll receive your placard sooner. The streamlined process ensures that there are no unnecessary delays, so you can get what you need quickly. By choosing handicapmd.com, you're opting for a hassle-free experience. The entire system is designed with your convenience in mind, from start to finish. They take care of the details, so you can focus on what matters most, your health and well-being. With handicapmd.com, you can rest easy knowing that the process is in good hands, allowing you to spend more time doing the things you love. Once you have your handicap parking placard, it's crucial to understand how and where you can use it. This placard is not just a convenience, it's a vital tool that ensures accessibility for those who need it most. Misuse or misunderstanding of the laws surrounding handicap parking can lead to fines, inconvenience, and even the loss of your placard. Therefore, it's essential to be well informed about the specific regulations in Nebraska. Nebraska has specific laws in place to ensure the placard is used correctly and that those who genuinely need accessible parking have access to it. These laws are designed to protect the rights of individuals with disabilities and to make sure that accessible parking spaces are available when needed. Understanding these laws can help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure that you are always in compliance. Here are some key things to remember. Valid placard display. Your handicap parking placard must be displayed properly, hanging from your rearview mirror when your vehicle is parked. This is not just a suggestion, it's a requirement. The placard must be visible from the front of the vehicle to ensure that law enforcement and parking officials can easily identify your vehicle as authorized to park in designated spots. This ensures law enforcement can easily identify your vehicle as authorized to park in designated spots. Failure to display the placard correctly can result in a fine or your vehicle being towed. Always double-check that your placard is hanging properly before leaving your vehicle. Parking only in designated spots. Only park in parking spaces clearly marked with the international symbol of access, the wheelchair symbol. These spots are reserved for individuals with disabilities and are designed to provide easier access to buildings and facilities. These spots are usually wider than standard parking spaces to accommodate wheelchairs, walkers, and other mobility aids. The extra space is crucial for individuals who need to maneuver these aids in and out of their vehicles. Parking in a regular spot can make it extremely difficult for someone with a disability to access their vehicle. No parking in access aisles. Never park in the striped access aisles next to handicap parking spaces. These aisles are not extra parking spaces. They are there to provide additional room for individuals with disabilities to enter and exit their vehicles safely. Blocking these aisles can create a significant inconvenience and safety hazard. These aisles are crucial for individuals who need extra space to enter and exit their vehicles. Imagine trying to get into your car with a wheelchair or walker and finding that the access aisle is blocked. It can be incredibly frustrating and dangerous. Time limits still apply. While your placard allows you to park in designated spots, it doesn't exempt you from other parking regulations. Always adhere to posted time limits, meter requirements, and any other parking rules in effect. Just because you have a handicap placard doesn't mean you can ignore these rules. Always adhere to posted time limits, meter requirements, and any other parking rules in effect. This ensures that parking spaces are available for everyone who needs them, and helps maintain order in busy parking areas. Ignoring these rules can result in fines or your vehicle being towed. By understanding and following these laws, you'll be able to park with confidence, knowing you're using your placard correctly and contributing to a more accessible environment for everyone. It's not just about following the rules, it's about respecting the needs of others and ensuring that accessible parking is available for those who truly need it. Remember, the goal of these laws is to make life easier for individuals with disabilities. By adhering to them, you're playing a part in creating a more inclusive and accessible community. So always be mindful of where and how you park, and make sure you're using your handicap placard responsibly. Always adhere to posted time limits, meter requirements, and any other parking rules in effect. This ensures that parking spaces are available for everyone who needs them and helps maintain order in busy parking areas. Ignoring these rules can result in fines or your vehicle being towed. By understanding and following these laws, you'll be able to park with confidence, knowing you're using your placard correctly and contributing to a more accessible environment for everyone. It's not just about following the rules, it's about respecting the needs of others and ensuring that accessible parking is available for those who truly need it. By understanding and following these laws, you'll be able to park with confidence, knowing you're using your placard correctly and contributing to a more accessible environment for everyone. It's not just about following the rules, it's about respecting the needs of others and ensuring that accessible parking is available for those who truly need it. If you want to get started on your disabled permit, head on over to handicapemd.com and fill your application today.